Cheers, bro.
I was like, we're gonna talk about this live, and then now I forgot.
What we're talking about?
I do love our yap sessions though. I love that every day we just get our daily yap session. People can tune in and we could start a podcast, honestly.
Oh my god, I can't stop. Hi, Dirty Dan.
Don't doubt me. Perfect flight.
Like that's like every day.
I'm so locked in.
Oh my god.
See, that's wild. Let's get a round of golf evening. What's poppin' there? I'm gonna get off.
Turn off on me? What the heck? Okay, sounds good, Nathan.
Valentine's Day is like far away. There is that one. Oh fuck.
Out of myself. I was just out there vibing, commenting or doing anything.
Capo.
Oh. I am the talent.
Oh my gosh. Can't do it, y'all. Ooh. Go. I can write your name right here on my neck.
I was not doing it. Well, yeah.
Oh
Nice.
my god, we hit it.
What does that mean? Louise, thank you for the roses. That is definitely. Yeah, because I'm. Yo, that was mid. It was rough. Can you give me some of that energy? Because I do not have it. Get them. There you go. That's a good one.
What was that noise? Talking lightly.
Nice.
I am expressive. And I'm not boring. I'm also here. Sorry.
Okay, Damn, Pale.
No.
Here's another report.
Wild behavior. 2 roses, 2 roses.
You are very welcome.
Ooh,
Damn.
The fact that it's slow, but I love that. Oh.
all right. Guys. All right.
With a bad rot day.
Oh, that felt good.
Get on that. Damn.
Mitchell wasn't in here. He gave it. It was rough. Can you give me some of that energy? Because I do not have it. Get them.
An amazing flight yesterday. I got a great grade. That sounds stuck in my head. Oh, that was a good one. Always great talking to y'all.
You too.
But I could